Hello, welcome to our channel, and we are on a new episode, new video. For today's video, we're going to play Sugar Rush 1000. So, tama ba? Sugar Rush? Hindi, basta Sweet Bonanza pala. I'm sorry. So, yeah, natin patagalin. Let's buy it. We're going to start with 200 pesos. Right. Then, hopefully we can do something with this one. All right. And third episode natin ngayon, and hopefully we can make the profit. This is our first buy for today's video. Grapes, watermelon, ah, times 8. That's okay. Bananas, yeah, bananas. Then what else? Plums, watermelon, still times 8. Di pa naman. Papatay na. Multi, multi. Oh, wala. Ay, sayang yung 20x. 20x, that's 20x. Alright, 1x. Imagine if we win a lot, right? Skip Bonanza 1000. Uh, medyo fun lang, because in Bingo Plus, not all pragmatic games are there. So, in the future, we're just going to like play slots that are in Bingo Plus. Yeah, yeah, let's do this. Three spins. Naku, awkward yung wala man lang panalo. Pero, yeah, let's try mga 40s. 40, 40. Yeah, we can give this a chance. Watermelon, banana, and then blues. Retrigger. Ah, there's no multis. Damn. And grapes. Apple. Uy, that's big. That's big multi. Nice, nice. 22. Banana. Ah, what else? Why? Hey, nice. Banana, watermelon, blues, retrigger, right? Okay, so that's high spins. Push, push it, push it, push it. Grapes. Ah, bye. Banana. Uy, 50x. Apples. What else? No multi. Grapes. Watermelon, banana. Watermelon. Nice. Banana. One more banana. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Banana. That's it. Another retrigger. So, grapes, plums, watermelon, banana, multi, multi. The delay. The sucks. Almost profit. Okay, dapat one more. And that could have been big. Sayang. Green, plums, banana. One more for grapes. That's the 21. Nice. Not, not bad. First spin. Grapes, watermelon, plums. Oh no. Again, guys, just disclaimer. Always make sure that if you're going to play, uh, please do gamble responsibly and just have fun and play what you are afford to lose. Okay, we're plums, watermelon, multi, grapes, bananas. Thanks, five. Not bad. Is it last spin na ba yan? Yeah, last spin na. Oh, still, almost profit na yan, sayang. Okay, one more spin. And yan, before we continue with this video or with this bonus, if you haven't done it, please do click that like button and subscribe. Okay, here we go. Uh, please, please be something good. Wait, the next mouse. What else? Uh, watermelon. I hope something good, something big. Still 15 pesos pa rin yan. Yung 20, it did not go, did not connect, right? Ay, sinabi ko ba last one na yan? I'm sorry. Still have go, push, watermelon, banana, grapes, plum, kulang ng isa, 6 pins, still be big. Pwede pa to, banana, this one. Oh no, banana, uy, 25x. Ayan, another 25x. Bye! Nakakapiranggot. But we do have low buy-in. So that's 20x. 27. Alright. So yeah, ano kaya? Isa pa? What about what if no? We we up the bet. I'll do an 80. So Hopefully this pays out. Uy, 25 clicks. Ay, please connect. Mag-connect naman kayo. Banana, alright. Plum, grapes. Ah, one grapes. That's 20. 45x. Not bad. Could have been better. Oh, blue, watermelon, banana, no, raspin, watermelon. Uy, nice. Banana. More. Oh, not bad, not. Ah, we bought in for 80. I forgot. It's still not profit. About one more. Yeah, one more. And whatever happens, if this is not, it didn't pay, they're going to run. Eating, it's like watermelon, bananas, apple, one more apple. Oh, I did not connect. Why? Mm, bananas, grapes, watermelon. Oh, oh my God, wow. Banana. If ko-compare natin yung mga nilalaro natin, Great Sweet Bonanza, Gate of Olympus, tsaka yung Sugar Rush. Anong mas bet mo dun sa tatlo? Sugar Rush. Oy, plus first spin, can still make this one. Ah, nice. Apple. Bananas. Multi. Nice. Green. Green not bad. One more. Last spin. Watermelon. Alright, so yeah, thank you guys. That's it for today. Bye.